Maintenance tip, rear wiper blade. So this, you're gonna go to your, this is a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You're gonna go to your rear wiper blade. You're gonna pull up on one side, pull up on the other, pop this up. This is gonna fold up, and then you're gonna tilt this, until it pops, and then you're gonna slide it right out of the slot like so. And let's put the new one in. The wiper that I'm using is the Duralast from AutoZone. It is DRC111. And it comes out of the kit like this, and you get these two little pieces. We need this piece. And if you look at the bottom, there's a beveled side right here, and then there's a straight cut end down here where it stops. Well, it's raised higher up. This part right here will slide onto this tapered piece up here first. Like so. You can see how I got it. Sliding in here. And then if you look right here, just a tab. It's a little locking tab right here. Now that I got it nice and locked in, I'm gonna take the higher side here forward. I'm gonna slide it in, tip it down, and now it can't come out of there. It's stuck in there. That's it. That's how you change the wiper. Y'all be blessed. Take care.